Hi everyone. Today class we are going to discuss the cycloid problem. So this is the cycloid problem. In this particular of a cycloid problem, the circle diameter is given 60 mm. So it will be unrolling in the particular of a straight line. So this particular of a points are the path is traced by a point P and Nadu. Then it will be rolls into the one complete revolutions and draw the tangent and the normal to the curve at the point of 50 mm above the bottom line. Okay, 50 mm above the bottom lines. Then you can draw the one normal and tangent curve. Okay, so now we are going to draw the in this particular problem. So open the AutoCAD software. Okay, so then in the left side AutoCAD icon is there. You can click on it. So choose the new and ACAD, then open. So this particular of a file you can save it, okay, respective of your folder. Okay, then write the name Cycloid. Okay, then do the primary settings, units, enter. Okay, insertion scale is millimeters. Okay, next D, enter. Go to the modify, same thing, symbols and arrows is 4, text size is 3, ISO standards above, and primary units is 0 0.0. Then okay, close. Okay, next is limits, enter. 0 comma 0, enter, and 297 comma 210. Okay, and UCS ICON, enter. N, enter. Okay, next one is OS, enter. Then select all. Okay, then Z, enter. A, enter. Okay, so now you can go to draw the diagram in Cycloid. Okay, so the diameter is given. So first of all, in the command prompt, C, enter, choose the one location, then draw a one circle. So that radius is diameter is 60, radius is 30, right? 30, enter. Okay, then find out the circumference of the circle. Okay, then open the calculator. So circumference is 2 pi r, right? So 2 into pi into, and the radius is how much is given, the diameter is 60, is 30, radius is 30. Okay, 188.49, right? So in the command prompt type L, enter. Okay, then draw the line, specify the first point. Okay, so you can specify the first point. So this particular of a length is how much, 188.49, right? Right, so this is 188.49, enter. Okay, then after completion, so you can draw a one vertical line up to length is as you wish. Okay, then press on escape. Okay, then this particular of a line in this particular of a circle is divided into the two equal parts. Okay, right, so you can select it, then type array AR, enter. So choose the polar PO, enter. So select the base point. Okay, so number of items I, enter. Number of items are 12, enter. Okay, total is 12 parts. It will be a divided 12 parts, or it will be divided. Okay, press on escape. Then this particular of a circle is also, this particular of a circle is divided into the 12 equal parts. Then so this particular line is divided into the 12 equal parts again. Okay. Then div, enter. Okay, select the objects of a horizontal line and number of segments are 12, enter. Okay, because it will be divided, it not visible the points, p type, enter. Select that and 2. Okay. Okay, so next one is, okay, then after that again type L, enter. Okay, so we can join these 2 points to draw a one horizontal line. Okay, to meet the this particular of a reference line, vertical line reference to. Okay, now again L, enter, from these 2 points. Okay, through. So otherwise, do you have any something confusion is there? Then click on the ortho mode. Okay, simply you can join it. Press on escape. Again I'll enter. So simply you can join it. Press on escape. I'll enter. Okay. Press on escape. I'll enter. Press on escape. I'll enter. Press on escape. Okay. So next you can give the text, enter in the command prompt, specify the start point of your text. Okay, in anywhere, choose the text height is 2 and rotation angle is 0. Okay, then this particular point is 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and next one is the 11, and this one is last one is 12. Then click on empty place, press on escape. Okay, then again type L, enter, simply. So you can extend the lines to make the center line. Okay, so simply you can select the line CO, enter. Okay, simply you can paste it at the bottom. You can select this is, you can paste it with respect to the points. Okay, okay, and next one. Okay, okay, so then press on escape. Okay, then after finishing you can indicate the points. Okay, again type text T, enter. So specify the start point of the text, and text height is 2 and rotation angle is 0, and so you can type the C1, right? This is the C1 point, and this is the C2 point, and this is C3 point, and C4 point, C5 and C6, C7 and C8 and C9, C10, and this is C11, and last point, this one is the C12, right? This is the C12 point. Okay, so click on the empty place, press on escape. Okay, then So you can indicate the an arc with respect to the in particular of a cycloid. So you can first of all, so this particular of a circle, the main circle, so you can select it, then in the command prompt type CO, enter, and then you can paste into the with respect to the at the location of a C1. With respect to the, you can paste into the location of a C1, you can paste it, then press on escape. So where it will be an coincidence, the 12 2 line is there. So in this particular of a 12 2 line, where the particular of a line, so the C1 circle, this particular of a C1 main center of this circle, it will be coincidence. So that particular of a point, you can indicate it. So in the particular of a command prompt, type PO, enter. So then, so you can, where it will be the meeting point, so you can click on it. Okay, this is the point location. Okay, and next one is completed. The point, this one is the point P1 is location is completed. Then this particular of a circle, you can click on it, type M, enter. So this particular of a circle is, you can move to the C1 to C2. You can change the position. Okay, then again it will be and again in the command prompt PO, enter. So in this particular of a 11 to 3 line is there, 11 to 3 line. So this is location point, intersecting point. Okay, now right, next one, again you can select the circle, M, enter, change the center location C3. Okay, so again in the command prompt PO, enter. So this particular of a 10 4 line is there, where it will be located, that is particular of a intersecting point is this one, right? Next again, so you can select it, M, enter. So you can move to the C4 point. Okay, then again in the command prompt type PO, enter. So this particular of a point, the location is the line is 9 to 5, right? 9 5. So you can click on it. Okay, next one. So again you can click on this particular of a circle, M, type M, enter. So change the location of C4 to, this is C5. Okay, C5. Then in this particular of a, you can change it, then type into the PO, enter. Okay, now then PO, enter. This particular of a 8 to 6 line is there, so you can intersecting point. Okay, right, and next one is again you can select the circle, type M, enter. She change the location C6 as the center. Okay, so again in the command prompt PO, enter. Okay, this is the point location, intersecting of a point location is, this is this one. Okay, that is C6, this is the point P6. Okay, next one is, so again you can select it, type M, enter. M, enter. So you can change the location C6 to C7. So you can change the location C6 to C7. So where it will be located, again in the command prompt PO, enter. So this is the again 6 to 8 line is there. So you can click on the particular of a line again. So you can, again you can select the circle, type M, enter, change the location C8, C8, and next one, and type PO, enter. Okay, the 9 to 5 line is there, so you can mark on it in similar kind of procedure. Okay, same thing, again select M, enter. So C8 to C9. Okay, next one, PO, enter. Again the location is, so this particular of a 10 to 4 line, so this one. Okay, so again you can select M, enter. Then C10 center of the, this is C10. Okay, and the next one is the, this is the point location, type PO, enter. Okay, so this is the this one. Okay, then so again click on the circle, M, enter. C10 to C11. Okay, this is the location of a point C11. So the intersecting point is this one, PO, enter. Okay, then okay, so after completion of these points, so you can select it, delete. Okay, fine. So So in this particular of it, then you can command prompt type SPL enter spline. Okay, so these are the first point, right? So this is the first point of a starting point first, and so you can turn off the ortho mode and turn on the polar mode. Okay, so you can, this is the first point and this is the second point, and next one this is the third one, and next one this is the fourth one. Okay, and this is the fifth one, and this is the sixth one. So next one this is the seventh, P7, and next one is the P8. Okay, this is the P8, and next one is the P9, P10, P11. Okay, and last one is the, this is the point of P12. Okay, click it and right click on that, enter. Okay, so this is the entire of a cycloid curve. Okay, now, right? So then, so you can draw a normal and tangent curve at the 50 mm distance, right? So again you can click on that, the O, enter, offset, that the distance is to draw a 50 mm. Okay, in the normal and tangent curve. Okay, 50 mm, enter. So you can select the curve, sorry, you can select the line, then move into the forward. Okay, so this is the distance of a, in this particular of a point, you can draw the tangent and normal curve. Okay, then press on escape, T R double enter. So this particular of a lines, so you can remove it. Okay, press on escape, click it, escape. Okay, right. So again in the command prompt, PO, enter. So you can give the, so after selecting the point, so in the command prompt type L, enter. Okay, then this particular of a point 2, you can join the of a line of C8, then you can draw a line vertical, then simply you can join it. Okay, so this particular of a line you can select, just simply move M, enter, just forward directions to move it. Okay, so this particular of a line, simply copy, enter, paste into the in another location, then select the line, RO, enter, with respect to the base point. Okay, rotation angle is 90, enter. Okay, so you can select it, M, enter. Okay, so you can select M, enter. Right, so this is the particular of a normal and tangent curve. Okay, so after that one you can select these lines. Okay, go to the properties, choose the bilayer, and 0.40 you can choose it, and in the bottom of, you can click on the LW display. Okay, right, so this is, next one is DLI, enter. So measure the dimensions of a tangent respect to the points, and next one is you can find out the radius of the circle, then again DLI, enter. Okay, this is the circumference of the circle. Okay, then TR, double enter, so you can remove this one. Okay, press on escape. Then you can in the text enter. Start point is you can click on anywhere. 2, rotation angle is 0, enter. Okay, so this is the initial point is this is P1. Okay, and next one, this one is the again P2. Okay, and this is P3, and next one is this is P4, and next one this is a P5, and this is P6, and this is for P7, and this is for P8, and P9, this is for P10, and this is for P11. Yeah, last one, this one is the P2. Okay, click on empty place, press on escape. Okay, this is our diagram. Okay, then click on REC, enter. So simply you can create the one rectangular box, then to make a printout and submit the document. Okay, thank you everyone.